Hello YouTube, this is going to be a quick video just to show you where the PCV valve is located for the Ford Duratec dual overhead cam. You can see right underneath the throttle body, it's right there. Most of the videos took 10 minutes just to show you where this thing is. So that's all this video is. It's the tube coming up right there. You can see there's a permanent clamp right there. You got to get this thing out, which is difficult to do. And you may need the flathead screwdriver in order to move it around the edges of the hose and loosen up the old PCV valve as you work your way around it without destroying the hose. Now, coming out of the top of that old one was a 90, and as you can see, the hose is destroyed. It's no good, it's cracked. So you need yourself some replacement 3/8 inch hose to create a U shape, and then you can crimp on the 90 with a channel locks.